Did you know that GP ratings can open the door to a world of adventure and opportunity at sea? As a general purpose rating, you become an essential part of the merchant navy, contributing to the smooth operation of ships that transport goods across the globe. So, what exactly are GP ratings? They are the backbone of both the deck and engine departments on a vessel. In the deck department, GP ratings assist with navigation, cargo handling, and maintenance of the ship's exterior. They ensure that everything is shipshape, from the lifeboats to the mooring lines. In the engine department, they support the engineers in maintaining machinery, monitoring equipment, and ensuring that the ship's engines run efficiently. Essentially, GP ratings are the hands on crew members who keep the ship sailing smoothly. Now, if you're considering a career as a GP rating, what do you need to get started? The eligibility criteria are quite straightforward. You must be at least 17 years old, have completed your 10th standard, and possess a valid medical certificate. Additionally, a basic knowledge of English is essential, as it is the primary language used on ships. Once you meet these requirements, the next step is training. Aspiring GP ratings typically undergo a pre sea training course that lasts about 6 months. This training covers essential skills such as firefighting, first aid, safety procedures, and basic seamanship. After completing this course, you'll receive a certificate of competency, which is crucial for securing a position on a ship. Let's talk about career growth. As a GP rating, you start in entry level positions, but there's a clear path for advancement. With experience and additional training, you can move up to roles like able seaman or mateman, and eventually you could become a chief officer or a chief engineer. The salary range for GP ratings can vary widely, but entry level positions typically start around 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. As you gain experience and climb the ranks, this can increase significantly, with senior positions earning upwards of 1 lakh rupees monthly. One of the most appealing aspects of a career in GP ratings is the travel opportunities. You get to explore different countries and cultures while working on the high seas. The demand for skilled seafarers is consistently high, which means job security is a significant benefit. Choosing a career as a GP rating not only offers a chance to earn a good salary, but also provides a unique lifestyle filled with adventure. Whether you're navigating the open ocean or working on complex machinery, every day brings new challenges and experiences. So, if you're ready to embark on a rewarding journey, the world of GP ratings in the Merchant Navy awaits you.